Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up Bizum inside your Banco Sabadell app step by step in 2025. If you're a Sabadell user and want to send or receive money with just a phone number, this is the guide for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Banco Sabadell app. Make sure the app is up to date, then log in with your credentials. Step 2. Go to the Payments or Transfers section. Tap the menu and find the Payments or Transfers section. You should see the Bizum option listed there. Step 3. Tap on Bizum and start registration. Tap the Bizum icon and select Register or Activate. The app will ask for your mobile number and confirmation. Step 4. Link your mobile number. Enter the mobile number you want to use for Bizum. This number will be tied to your Sabadell account for instant transfers. Step 5. Accept terms and conditions. Read and accept the terms of service. Once you do, you'll receive a verification code via SMS. Step 6. Enter the verification code. Type in the code sent to your phone. Once confirmed, your number will be successfully linked. Step 7. You're all set. You can now send and receive money via Bizum in your Banco Sabadell app using just a phone number. Note: you can only use Bizum with one bank at a time. If your number is linked to another bank, you'll need to deactivate it there first. And that's it. You've now set up Bizum on Banco Sabadell. If this helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more step-by-step tutorials. See you in the next guide.